time. When your another tooth will broke next time. And you fell down in your bike. Kamu drive bike ka ng red bike?
Yes.
Hi? Ginan kag hi?
Can you speak English?
Hi kay English.
Yeah. But can you speak English straight?
No.
Why?
Because I want water.
Oh no, nisimang man ka.
Yung subsimang.
No. No. No, 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 no. Agay. Nah, see Jan. I was taking video of you. Now you're mad at me. Oh no.
Give me your phone.
No. Hala ka diha. What do you like, man?
I like RC Police Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Yeah. A different one.
Okay.
And then,
Okay.
let's check. Now ako balik.
You go there. Okay, I will take videos of you. Now you speak English. Okay?
No, I want to hikam.
No. You're big enough. You're big na. Don't hikam. Go away. Away.
Go away.
I will throw your car. Sige ka. The one you bought yesterday.
What?
I will throw it.
It's from my friend's house.
Why did you put it there?
Because you will throw it.
Because you're bad. You're acting bad.
And you're acting worse.
No.
And you're at worse.
Iluwa na iluwa.
What?
Outside. Iluwa.
I would white.
No, it's white lang. Again.
No, let that fairy get this. Look. I'll buy this a snack for you. You can ilabog.
Daddy is calling. We'll just